How do I search a list that is in a nested list, a list of list, without loop in Python? I am perfectly aware of that. This will return true. But what I want to do here is this. I want the return to be true, but this returns false. I can do this. But I am wondering if there is any better or efficient way of doing it.
I don't know how to solve this completely without a loop. But in Python you should never write for I in range, len, sample. So the answer to your question, yes, there is a better and faster way you could loop your list for I in sample. The way Python handles the loops is really fast and works also very well with a lot of entry, more than 50.000.
You can flatten your sample list, and then search in that flattened list.
You can use chain from iter tools to merge the lists, and then search in the returned list.
A recursive solution that would work for arbitrary, max recursion depth aside, deep nesting. Also works if any elements of the outermost list are not iterables themselves.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.